Now that you have your Mac ready to start creating Xamarin applications, it's time for us to create the project. During the first part of the course, we'll take a look at Xamarin Forms. So let's go ahead and create our first Xamarin Forms project. I have right here Visual Studio for Mac open, and I have this new project button right in the Get Started window. If you don't see this button, you can always go to File and select New Solution. In the New Project window, you will want to locate the Multi-Platform section and select App. In here, you will see two very important sections that we will be using throughout the course. One, the Xamarin Forms section, and the other, the Native or Classic section. Each of these sections have two templates. The one that we're going to be choosing is the blank template, so we can start our project right from scratch. Make sure that C# is selected as the language that is going to be used, and click on Next. In here, you want to set the name for the project. We're going to start with a simple Hello World application, which will get us started with how to use Xamarin Forms. So let's name this project Hello World. Make sure that you select both Android and iOS as the project platforms. And in this case, we're going to use Shared Library. Right now, the Xamarin Live Player only works with projects that use Shared Library to share code. And since during this section, we're going to take a look at that feature of Xamarin, we're going to be creating a Shared Library project. But again, most of the times I will recommend that you select Portable Class Library. And in fact, it's the option that we'll select most of the times when we create the next project that we're going to be developing throughout the course. Finally, make sure that you check this box so you can use XAML for creating user interfaces, because otherwise you will have to create your interface by coding C#, which is not what we want. Then go ahead and click on Next. You can optionally change the location where you want to store your project and click on Create. Once the project is created, you will have one solution with 3 projects. In the next lecture, we're going to take a look at the structure of this solution. And we're going to be taking a look from Windows, but you can be certain that the structure is going to be exactly the same, whether you create the project from Windows or from Visual Studio for Mac.